Hey guys, my name is Ravish and welcome back to another video in the series of DevOps projects. Now, through this video, I'm glad to announce that we are going to start a new DevOps real-time project series. Now, this is the second in the row. So now if you're seeing this video after completing the first project, then I'm personally here to congratulate you that you have done a really good job. Now, but if this is the first video that you are seeing after watching in this DevOps series, then I would highly recommend that you should go through the first series, because the project that we are going to use over here is being done in the first project in the first series. And the only difference is that if you remember, in the first series almost all of the code, all of the setup was done us by manually, and all the applications and all the MySQL, Memcache, etc., we all did everything manually. So in this series, the interesting part is we are going to set up everything in an automated fashion. So the only prerequisite to this course is you should know shell scripting. Now then, if you know it, then perfectly alright, then you can move forward. And if you have a little bit of idea about shell scripting, then I would highly recommend that you should go through one course like Bash Scripting for Beginners, which is already available on this channel. So I'll be guiding you over where is that course and how can you go through it, and you can learn Bash scripting in no time.
Okay, so the course that I was talking about is, you can come to my channel. This is Logic Ops Lab, you can see over here. And then if you go to the playlist, there are a lot of playlists over here. And then all you have to search for is this one. This is Bash Scripting and Shell Programming for Beginners. So if you just click on it, I think there is an ad over here. Let me just pause it, or let me just run it. Okay, I'll just skip the ad over here, and then this is the intro video, and in which I'm explaining about the Bash scripting and shell programming. Okay, so if you will scroll down, you will find around 15 videos over here, and in this 15 videos I'll be telling you each and every basic that you need to learn for this course. Okay, so if you have gone through this, perfect, then you'll be learning the basics of it. And then if you are debugging any kind of script, shell script, it would be much more useful for you. Okay, so just check out this video series and go through it, and you would be able to understand everything, and you'll be able to learn this Bash scripting in no time.
So guys, let's stay tuned and let's get started.